Take a look at this one. 1940 Buick Super Convertible Coupe. Very, very cool car. You definitely don't see one of these every day. This is the first one I can honestly say that I've seen here. I've been here for the past, 6-7 years. So pretty darn rare Buick here, and this one is stunning. I actually came out of Arizona, was with the previous owner for 20 plus years. So very well taken care of Arizona car. We'll start it up here in a little bit. Car runs smooth. I'll also show the top functioning a little bit later. It does have a top that will go up and down on its own. It is a vacuum powered top. Everything works good on it. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see pictures of the top, the interior, undersides, engine, very nice and tidy under the hood too. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. This Buick is powered by an inline 8 underneath the hood, hence the long nose on these. Beautiful sculptured front end. That inline 8 is a 248 cubic inch engine that is paired with a manual transmission with a shifter on the column. Let's take a look at the interior of this car and the dash. Very stock looking. Interior to me still has pretty much, from what I can see, original gauges, original radio, original clock. A lot of the door handles, steering wheel, all seem to be error correct. The vinyl, I'm guessing, has been redone along the way and is in very, very nice shape. Looks like it could also be leather, not necessarily vinyl. Again, the top is in very nice shape. You can see the parade boot fits nicely. Let's check out the rear seat. Just a stunning, it's kind of a very, very dark blue, midnight blue, I guess you could call it, with the red interior, the wide whites. It does have the rear fender skirts. They have not been finished up as nicely as the rest of the car, so I don't have them on. They would come with it if somebody wanted to have them redone so they could be installed in the car. They are all there as far as the metal wise and everything. You can see the pictures of those also. Check out the fender skirts and any of the trunk and underside pics. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Come around to the driver's side. We're going to go ahead and open this up and check out this interior. Door card's nice shape. You can see one little knob is off the window handle there, but you can see the, like I said, the knobs and everything, door cranks all seem error correct. Now on the Buicks back in the day, you turned on the key, so ignition was on, there was no starter, you didn't turn the key to start it, you push the pedal. That's the way this car is, so we're going to go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. So I'll turn the ignition straight up and down position, push the pedal, and the car starts. Be up on a little higher idle since it's a cold start here. Get her idle down just a tad. I'm going to slip around to the back so you can hear this car run. Very smooth running Buick. Just a beautiful car. Feel free to give us a call if you have any questions on it also. 507-386-1726. It's 1940 Buick Super Convertible Coupe. Give me just a second and we're going to get this ready for the top to go up and down, and I'm going to be right back. Alright, got the boot off the back here. Jeff's going to help us out and show the top operating. Again, vacuum top, as you can see, functions properly. We lowered her before the pictures. Got to have the motor run a little bit there to create the vacuum. And there it is. Latch the top, and away you go. I'll show you how nice it fits too once it is done here. How neat is that? Vacuum top that is completely functioning up and down. There's how tight it seals. Horn works. Hey Jeff, tell you what, unhook it and let's go down with it too. They can see it go both ways. We're going to go ahead and flip it down for you so you can see it working both directions here, obviously. Noticed in the back when we took it down, you just have to start it. Oh, we might have it latched on the other side. Get a little start to it, and the vacuum takes her the rest of the way. Still is latched a little bit on the other side. But as you can see, vacuum top, up and down, works great. 1940 Buick Super Convertible Coupe.